Hey guys, Goldmine here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be hammering some nails, just flattening some nails. It's still raining outside, but just, I'm doing something small, nothing too big right now. As you can see, some of these nails right here, just going to hammer them down. I got my torch here already going, so it's going to get some crazy hammering going in today. So let's fire it up and get going. Cools down really fast. You gotta be quick with these because they're small. I'm gonna take it outside to the bucket that's out there on the patio. Middle. There we go, that's better. Seems to do the trick when you turn it down. Get more concentrated flame. take it over to the horn and give it a nice little bend to it. Go. Nice little hook right there. That will do. That one. Alright. That's pretty good for now. I don't want to waste too much of my gas. So, yeah. Here's the aftermath right here of me using the anvil. So, you know, the reason why I do this is, you know, to keep some of that rust that forms around this area off. You can use WD-40 or, you know, rust, you know, remover or whatever. But, you know, there's nothing you can do to keep rust, you know, from forming on the anvil. It's just, you know, over time you're going to use it more and more, less rust. But, you know, that's just how the anvil is. So, yeah. I think it works great with the new chain on there, and seems a lot quieter. So, yeah, can't wait to use it more until the rain stops. That is, but I guess that'll do for today. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah.